Lift retreat is a go.
Why does the air vent smell like poo?
I think.
Any words, Christina?
Hi.
Nobody cares. Okay, so. Ow!
That's abuse. Just saying.
Sweetie, you are on the end and I can push you off.
I'll keep you updated.
I say why I live. I say why. I don't know this part.
ASMR.
Hold on.
Won't cost you anything. I say wildin'. I say wildin'. I say wildin'. Pisano's wildin'. I say wildin'. I say wildin'. Pisano's wildin'. DJ song.
Alright. Hold on.
Hi guys. We're at Panera. And I'm in a carb coma. Too much bread and mac and cheese. Oh my god. How are you feeling, Allie? I'm feeling good. I had soup. Okay, so we are doing the game darts. So far, I have 3 victims. Here they are. Oscar. We have Sawyer. Oh, and Connor's getting up. Dang it, Luke. Dang it. I wasn't looking. My eyes were closed. My eyes were closed. Hold on, I've got a burp coming. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Gross. You gotta do this.
Are we allowed to get to-go containers? Yeah.
Hey there.
Stupid. Get dragged.
We're going to Lyft. How are you feeling about it? Great answer, great answer. I said, are you excited about Lyft? Yes. Perfect.
Oh! On today's show, we're gonna do wrong answers. You kicked my butt so hard, dude. I'm sweating profusely. Oh, profusely. Anywho, okay. Wrong answers only, okay? If you had 2 days to live and you had a decision between a monkey or a cow, would you pick a pig?
Chick-fil-A.
If a car is black, okay, and a person's pants are pink, what color is the sky? Purple. Reasonable.
Harley.
And
Nope.
And we're gonna introduce Connor here.
What is the Grand Canyon made out of? Wrong answers only.
Silly putty.
Elena, and I'm going to be asking Sawyer a question.
Anybody need a pen?
I'm interviewing you. What's your favorite color of the alphabet, true or false?
False. You heard that, ladies and gents.
Update, we are in the conference.
Oh, Dylan! This is 6%.
Hey, we finna be on the big screen right back there. We are in the conference. What do you think about that? I'm really excited. Last Let's Go 2020. Oh, it's so sad. This is Desi, a musician in the Frvr band, and although his audio got cut, I decided to keep the clip. This is London. He's also another musician in the band, and long story short, Brandy's in love with him.
Alright, so what is your favorite part about being on Lyft?
My favorite part about being on the Lyft. First off, I just want to say thank you to all my friends here, all my friends. If you can see, these are my friends. And get my friends, please. My favorite part currently being on Lyft is I'm probably gonna go to Disney Springs tomorrow.
Thank you. This has been wonderful.
Yeah, what's the name of the show?
It's Brandy and Allie.
I'm Brandy,
I'm Allie.
and you're watching Brandy and Allie. We'll see you next week.
Allie is actually behind the camera.
Of wrong answers only.
Wrong answers.
Yes, she's gonna ask the first question.
All right. You're good. You're good.
Okay. So, what's his name?
Edison.
Thank you.
What else?
This has been awesome. Thank you so much. Thank
Make
you.
sure you subscribe.
So this interview was a lot longer, but once again, the audio got cut, so this is all we got from it.
Abracadabra, now you see me, now you don't.
Hey, Oscar. It's time to say hello. Thank you.
This is supposed to be a skeleton.
What a golf putt place. Birdie, come say hi.
Sorry, I'm on a step.
Hello. We put this black thing on so it would block out the wind. It shall be a good time. Great time.
Great time.
Great time.
Audrey, how are you?
I'm doing good.
All right, cool. All right, bye, y'all.
Hi guys. So today today we are shut up. Oh, I like this. You got a little thingy. Yeah. Okay, so right now we are golfing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. If I do go to Walgreens, who's.
Don't do that when I'm cutting somebody's hair. What is wrong with you?
Okay. Update. Haven won mini golf.
I think she cheated, but it's okay.
Brandy cut her hair. And I had an emotional breakdown.
Now, hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Hey. We're not coming back. The tour is over. For our pastor. Thanks, Hunter. Cool. Okay, we gotta go.
Is this a prank or is this just awesome?
Well, both.
Oh, I like this. Is this chocolate on the ground?
It is 1 o'clock in the morning. We had to get up about 7:30.
Day 3 of Lyft. We're going home. It's for the vlog. As you can tell, me and Christina woke up earlier. And we're out of here.
Lyft, it has been great. I won't see you next year, but I will take my pineapple to go and I will see y'all later.
See ya.
Do it.
Can we talk about how many people actually attend my birthday?
I would be mom.
I'm running out of water. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's not a proper outro, but when is it ever? We'll see you guys next week or whenever we can get the video up. Bye, guys.